Hey guys, today we have a interesting video for you. I'm recording with my phone's camera. So this video is going to be about how to reset your Windows 11 password without any software. So just keep in mind that this will only work for the local account. This will not work for the Microsoft account, so keep that in mind. So for example, if you log in and you are in your log screen and you can't sign in, as you can see, everything's fine for me because I didn't set any password. That's actually very dangerous, especially with Microsoft account. I would never recommend doing that. So if you can't log in, basically you need to restart your PC and make sure that you press shift, left shift on your keyboard when you start your PC. So let's do that. Okay, now we need to actually get ourselves into a specific menu before you actually log in into your system. So in order to do that and to get into the advanced booting options, just click on this button right over here, which is power. Just click on it, and while pressing shift, left shift on your keyboard, press restart. So make sure to already press shift and then click restart. Okay, and now we are in this specific menu. So now just click on troubleshoot, advanced options. Now click on command prompt. Alright, now once we've entered our CMD, you basically need to input certain commands. I'm just not going to be explaining much what they do, just follow the instructions on the screen and just repeat everything. So firstly type in C to find the directory of your Windows. After that type in dir, which is going to be directory. Alright, as you can see, in my case, the Windows directory is going to be on the D drive. As you can see, we have users, program files, Windows. Now basically type in cd into the command prompt. After that, type in cd Windows. After that, type in cd system32. And now from here, basically you need to type in this command into the command prompt. And now type in another command. I'm going to be showing them on the screen for you to easier understand them. And now the next thing you want to do is, we basically have done this these commands that we have inputted into our CMD. And now when we press accessibility right over here, this button, ease of access, it's called accessibility on Windows 11. It doesn't really matter. Both OSs are almost identical. We will actually, instead of opening this menu, right, we will actually open the command line right over here on this lock screen. And from here we can continue with our operation. And now basically close the command line and press continue to Windows. Okay, now after opening the CMD when logging in into our account, type in this command now. So it's going to be control user passwords too. And now basically press on reset password. And now basically where it says new password and confirm new password, you just don't have to input anything, just leave both of these fields blank. This is being done to completely reset and remove the password. Okay guys, and after performing all of these steps, you're basically done. If something didn't work at that last step, just reboot your PC and everything should be fine. And now basically you can just press the sign in button and you will be successfully taken into your operating system. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If this helped you, leave a comment if it did, subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.